Hey, well, we've got the first test fit, and there's our wee propulsion unit. She goes in there. Got to give that a bit of a vacuum out, all the way down to there. And with the mast in, not too much water going to get in there. Eventually I might gasket it, but for now I'd say that's just about ready to have a little bit more of a play with the rig. Not too much. Maybe put a sheet on it, a jam cleat. Just want to see how much that boom's going to smack me in the face. Which is often a thing. So let's see. Get in here. Oh, I can tuck my feet up against the mast if I see fit. Hey, pedal away. Let's see. I can get a bit of a pedal going. That's a bit tight. Gonna have to loosen the fit if I want to be able to dismast. Let's see. But there we go. There we have it. Our wee thingy. That's actually quite nice to put your heels on. That wee block down there. My feet usually back this far on their footrests, so that's not in the way of my feet. That feels good in there. I've got my angle a bit skew with. That is just screwing that block in. It's a bit of a botch job, but you know. Our wee sail, our tiny wee sail. I can see us chooching along with this, having a wee hoon. So yeah, the only way for me to drop this sail when I'm in the boat with this current sail, I'll probably end up using a different type, something that I can just lower by halyard and just have a wee mast up. We're tempted to try and paddle it just with the mast up and see how the windage is. I don't think it'll be too bad. Now poor old bird person's got a big hole in her. Should make a plug for it actually. Oh, the plug I think will just be a very short mast. Yeah, I'll do that. Experiment with my fit a bit too. I was thinking I might have to lower the mast, but in actual fact it's quite good to have it a wee bit raised like that. Rightio. Cheers!